Hi, my name is Tularam. Today in this video we are trying to understand about the gravitational force. We all are familiar to the gravity. The reason is everything is falls down. Sir Isaac Newton described gravitational force as the attraction between all the objects or a mysterious action between two objects at a distance. So let's come with me to understand gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force of attraction between two objects. We have two objects with mass m1 and m2, and the distance between center to center of these two objects is r. So Sir Isaac Newton give us a universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation was first two objects having mass attract each other, but the force of attraction is directly proportional to the mass of the object. Force is directly proportional to the mass of the object. If you increase the mass, force is automatically increased. Second, force act along the line of distance joining the object center to center, but the force is indirectly proportional to distance. Means force is indirectly proportional to the distance. If you increase radius or distance, forces decrease. And the third was force act on both body is same. So these are the universal law of gravitation. We have also a universal gravitational constant which value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter second square per kg square. So there is the question arising, how can you find force of attraction act between two objects? We can find it from these universal laws. How? I am saying that force is directly proportional to the mass. So force is directly proportional to the mass. There is the two objects which have two different masses. So mass m and mass 2. Second thing, force is indirectly proportional to the distance. So force indirectly proportional to the distance. Now I can merge this formula. F directly proportional to the m1, m2 and r square. Now there is some error. To remove the error, we have to use gravitational constant in this formula. F is equal to g m1 m2 r square. So this is the formula which help to understand or find gravitational force act between two objects. But the another thing is, gravitational force have high range like infinity, but have less power. I am saying that gravitational force have high range like infinity. That is the reason we also have gravitational force, but we do not feel like that, and we are also attracting everything around us. But why we don't feel like that? Because it has very less power. I hope you understand this topic properly. If you have any doubt related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment box. And like the video, subscribe the video and press the bell icon. We will meet in another video. Goodbye.